Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So we are opening up Annie's Kit Club and we have 3 months to open today. So this is a craft subscription and it is awesome, but I'm extra excited to show it to you guys today because all of their craft subscriptions are 75% off the rest of the month, the entire month of March. So they have like at least 12, probably more different craft subscriptions. They're already affordable. The one we're opening up today is only $19.99. So you can get your first box for 75% off. And this is in honor of National Craft Month. So I'm going to link them down below along with the code to save. Definitely a great time to subscribe and check it out. I love this subscription because I love experiences and I like how you get like something to open. It's super fun. And then you get a craft to make. It's super unique, super awesome, and the one I get is the Creative Women of the Month Club, and you get a new craft each month, so it's for all ranges of ability. I'm not the most crafty, artistic person, but I'm still able to do it. You can do it with your kids, you can do it with your partner, you can do it with yourself. It's just a great time, affordable, and 75% off. So I will link that down below. And we're going to take a look, like I said, there's 3 different months now, so you can get an idea of what this subscription is all about. But if you don't want this one specifically, check out their website. Like I said, all of them are on sale, so there's like crocheting, like there's one for kids, there's jewelry making, card making, there's so many different options, so definitely look into it. And yeah, let's get started. I'm going to move to the side. I don't know what month is what. But in this bag, super cute. Open for inspiration. Maybe I should have opened it. There we go. I'm gonna make sure I got everything. Yeah. So what do we have here? Pocket full of rainbows. How sweet. Oh my god, this is so cute. It looks like we're making some cards. And yeah, you guys, you get everything you need besides like maybe a few things from home, like scissors and stuff. And you get a step-by-step picture guide on how to make this. This is so cute. I'm so excited. I love sending cards. So Pocket Full of Rainbows kit includes cards, envelopes, cardstock, pattern papers, die-cut sheets, ink pad, baker's twine, clear glitter pen, stencils, clear stamps, stickers, and sponge applicators. That is so much. There's so much stuff in here. And then it'll tell you what you need from home, which is like a lot of it's optional, but like scissors, and those things right there, skirt paper, adhesives, like tape. And then there's a technique guide, so it'll tell you how to do this with layering, stamping, stenciling. And here are some of the examples of what you're making. Oh my god, this is so cute. So this is the Oh Happy Day card. So step-by-step instructions. Have a bright and beautiful day. Also, it gives you like the instructions, then points to the lettering there to follow along. Sunshine and rainbows. And then it's your day to shine. These are so cute and fun. Wouldn't you like find this like to be so like? Wouldn't you be so happy to receive this in the mail? So cute. So yeah, everything is in here. We have like the cardstock paper. I'm probably going to leave it all together in there right now. But yeah, oh, I love the colors. This is so fun. So I'll show it to you guys. Sorry, I'm not taking it all out, but I feel like you can see everything here. Look at the colors. The cardstock looks really nice too. You can see some of it. So cute. So that is 1 month. Now let's go on. Should I check and see what month I was? That bag just fell to the ground. Because you might be able to get one of these still. I'm not sure. But sometimes I get them a month ahead. I didn't realize I had 3 of them, and then I'm like, oh, perfect though, because it's March and they have their huge sale. It happens once a year. Okay. Oh my god, I'm excited. I've never crocheted before. Okay, let's see what it says right here. Okay, so this is the February one. But I might learn to crochet dishcloths. I love that it says learn to crochet, so it's like this could be for total beginners. Look how beautiful these colors are. Oh my gosh. I love them. I've never done this. Okay, I already said that. I'm excited. So in your kit you get 100% cotton yarn, navy, burgundy, and gray. Love it. Size 1, I think 1/9/5.5 millimeter crochet hook and a tapestry needle. And all you'll need from home is some scissors. We have some helpful hints getting started. Gives you some tips there. And then it tells you how to do certain slip knots. Oh my God, I've never done anything like this. I love that they give us like visuals and they describe it. They talk about tension and gauge. So cool. And then here's a single crochet stitch, and it's a skill level easy. Nice. And then, yeah, they're all say easy, so that's good. And then there's a rib stitch. Looks like that. Oh my God, it's so cool. And seed stitch. Oh, and then some crochet abbreviations. I'm really excited, you guys. I've never crocheted, have you? So isn't this cool? There's such different things each month. And I don't know why. I'm just like really digging those colors. Okay, awesome. Now we have one more to go. This is getting me all like excited and inspired. Literally inspired to do some artsy stuff, crafty stuff. Oh, looks like there's some yarn in this one too. Let's take a look. Oh my God, so cute. So this must be from December. Oh my God, I love it. Open this one a little late. Yeah, this says December. So it must be December, yeah, January and February. Okay. So I don't think I have the March one yet, do I? It's okay. But this is so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh. So this would have come in time for December, you know, for winter. I know it's almost spring. That's like a week's there. This is so cute to me. Look at the stuff. Felted snowmen. So in your kit you get yarn, merino wool roving, felting needles, foam block, painted wood noses, and buttons. And then from home you need scissors, ruler, warm water and bowl, dish soap, hot glue gun, and hot glue sticks. I have all that, and I don't think I've ever even used my hot glue gun, but I have one. So again, we have helpful hints, and then getting started. So it shows you how to create the snowman shape. Needle felting. Oh my God, this is all so new to me. I'm like not even doing it yet, but I already feel so crafty and proud. I will though. This is so cute. Oh, I wish I saw this sooner so I could like have this in the background of my videos, but it's never too late. I mean, and time flies so freaking fast. It's all of a sudden gonna be winter again. I know no one wants to hear that, especially if you live somewhere cooler. But so finishing it. Oh my God, you stack it. This is so freaking cute. I love the colors of this too. Oh my God, little mama and a baby. Oh my God. Seriously, how cute is that? Isn't this so fun, you guys? Gosh, I can't believe I didn't open these sooner, but I'm so glad to share these today so you guys can use that code and take advantage of the sale going on. And again, there's like 2 weeks left of that, so I will link them down below if you're interested. But thank you guys so much for being here. Let me know your thoughts, and let me know if you subscribe to any of the other craft subscriptions, and leave a comment so other people can read about your experience too. And again, this one is $19.99, so 75% off, like $20. Oh gosh, I should be able to do that in my head. Hey Siri, what's 25% of 20? Is it $5? No, she can't hear, but you save a lot of money, okay? I'm so 75% I meant. Oops.
Sorry, I can't help you with that.
Yeah, I think it's only $5 for your first. Wow, it's only $5. Okay, I have like my doctorate and that took me too long. It's only $5 for your first month for this one. I think they're all similarly priced, but anyways, yeah, I'll let you guys go. Again, this link down below. I'm like so excited. I don't know why, because this is so awesome. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and have a great day. Do something special for yourself. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.